Today I am taking you on a journey to explore 12 amazing countries with unforgettable cuisines. From street food to fine dining, you will discover flavors that define entire cultures. This video reveals the ultimate destinations where taste, tradition and culinary creativity meet perfectly. Like, share and subscribe for more travel food guides and cultural exploration adventures every week. 12. Italy, the home of pasta and pizza. Italy offers authentic pasta, pizza and gelato that capture its rich culinary tradition. Every region has its own flavors and cooking styles, from north to south completely different. Street food like arancini and panini gives you a quick taste of Italian culture. Restaurants focus on fresh ingredients, traditional recipes and high quality in every dish. Italian desserts are a perfect combination of sweetness, texture and flavor balanced naturally. Wine tasting and regional specialties make Italy a paradise for food enthusiasts everywhere. 11. Japan, harmony and precision in every bite. Japan offers sushi, ramen and street snacks that are precise and full of flavor. Each dish is crafted carefully to balance taste, texture and visual presentation completely. Street markets and izakayas provide authentic local flavors for adventurous travelers daily. Ramen shops, tempura stalls and takoyaki carts excite every sense and every palate fully. Seasonal ingredients are prioritized to ensure freshness, taste and cultural authenticity in dishes. Japanese desserts like mochi and taiyaki offer creativity and sweetness beautifully combined. Tea ceremonies and local delicacies immerse you in Japanese culinary culture entirely. Every bite tells a story of tradition, discipline and care from the chefs fully. Visiting Japan is a journey through flavor, art and culinary philosophy for food lovers. This country teaches that presentation, taste and precision make every meal unforgettable naturally. 10. France, elegance and flavor in every bite. France is famous for pastries, cheeses and wines that define European culinary excellence. Croissants, baguettes and crepes are enjoyed on streets, markets and cozy cafes alike. Fine dining restaurants showcase chef creativity, precision and a focus on fresh quality ingredients. French cheese, charcuterie and desserts create meals that are complex yet beautifully balanced. Street food like galettes and sandwiches gives a quick taste of authentic French culture. Wine tasting in regions like Bordeaux and Burgundy enhances the culinary journey dramatically. Markets and festivals celebrate seasonal ingredients, local flavors and culinary traditions fully. French cuisine shows that flavor, technique and presentation combine to create unforgettable meals. Visiting France immerses you in taste, history and culture through every bite completely. Food lovers appreciate France for elegance, creativity and the unforgettable dining experience it offers. 9. Thailand, spicy, vibrant and fresh. Thailand is known for street food that is spicy, fresh and full of amazing flavor. Dishes like pad thai, tom yum soup and green curry excite every sense completely. Markets are bustling, aromatic and colorful, providing a full sensory culinary adventure daily. Thai desserts, sticky rice and coconut treats offer sweetness in perfectly balanced portions. Fresh herbs, spices and sauces make each dish vibrant, exciting and unforgettable naturally. Vendors cook in front of you, creating lively, interactive, and authentic experiences every time. Street noodles, satay and grilled seafood are staples that define local culinary culture clearly. Visiting Thailand allows food lovers to taste spicy, sweet, sour and savory in one meal. 8. Mexico, bold flavors and rich traditions. Mexico offers tacos, tamales and street snacks that are full of bold, intense flavors. Traditional spices, salsas and fresh ingredients combine for unforgettable taste experiences daily. Markets, festivals and local eateries reflect the country's vibrant culture and culinary history fully. Street food like elote, quesadillas and chiles en nogada show variety and passion completely. Desserts such as churros, cajeta and tres leches cake are sweet, rich and satisfying naturally. Visiting Mexico allows food lovers to enjoy food, culture, history and celebration together. Street stalls and local kitchens give authentic experiences for anyone who appreciates flavor deeply. This is why Mexico is considered a paradise for anyone who truly loves food. 7. Spain, tapas, seafood and passion. Spain offers tapas, paella and churros that capture lively cultural spirit beautifully. Markets and seaside eateries provide fresh seafood, vibrant flavors and unforgettable dining experiences. Chefs combine spices, textures and cooking styles to create meals that are memorable every time. Desserts like turin and flan balance sweetness and texture in perfect harmony daily. Wine, sangria and fresh juices complement street food and meals completely naturally. Visiting Spain gives food lovers the chance to taste variety, tradition and festive cuisine fully. Every bite tells a story of culture, regional flavors and passionate culinary artistry naturally. Spain teaches that sharing, flavor and experience make food journeys unforgettable forever. 6. India, spices, colors and incredible variety. India is famous for street food that is spicy, colorful and full of unique flavor. Dishes like chaat, samosas, dosa and biryani excite taste buds and senses completely. Each region has distinct flavors, ingredients and cooking methods passed down for generations. Local vendors cook in front of you, creating fresh, interactive and authentic experiences fully. Indian cuisine balances spices, textures, aromas and visual appeal in every single dish naturally. Visiting India allows food lovers to experience culture, flavor, history and tradition together. Every meal reflects creativity, passion and heritage from local families and chefs fully. This is why India is a dream destination for passionate food explorers everywhere. 5. China, noodles, dumplings and timeless tradition. China offers noodles, dumplings and street dishes with flavors passed down through centuries. Each dish uses fresh ingredients, bold seasoning and cooking methods refined over generations. Street markets are full of energy, aromas and authentic tastes that excite every sense daily. Dim sum, baozi and janbing are quick, tasty and show cultural richness clearly. Local chefs combine texture, aroma, flavor and presentation perfectly in every meal naturally. Visiting China is a journey through culinary history, innovation and tradition in one place. This is why China remains a must-visit destination for anyone passionate about food globally. 4. Turkey, savory, fresh and rich heritage. Turkey is known for street food such as simit, kebabs and baklava with amazing flavor. Each dish combines fresh ingredients, spices and traditional cooking techniques passed down for years. Markets, tea houses and seaside vendors create lively, interactive, and unforgettable tasting experiences. Desserts are rich, sweet, and perfectly balanced, making every bite both satisfying and memorable naturally. Visiting Turkey allows food lovers to explore culinary culture and history in every meal fully. Street vendors cook in front of you, creating authentic and lively experiences consistently. 3. Greece, simplicity and fresh flavors. Greece offers street food like souvlaki, gyros and fresh pastries with incredible taste. Dishes are fresh, simple and made with olive oil, herbs and locally sourced ingredients. Markets and small street vendors bring authenticity, flavor and tradition into every bite naturally. Desserts such as baklava combine layers of pastry, nuts and syrup perfectly every time. Seafood along the coasts is fresh, aromatic, and prepared with passion for flavor naturally. Visiting Greece allows food lovers to explore Mediterranean culinary culture fully and enjoyably. Every dish reflects tradition, family recipes and authentic regional flavor in every bite naturally. Street food is vibrant, aromatic and an exciting way to taste culture directly on location. 2. Morocco, spices, aroma and street adventure. Morocco is famous for tagines, couscous and street snacks that are flavorful and aromatic. Markets are